Alright, what's up guys? Thank you for tuning in for another episode. I'm super happy to have the car back. I have so many plans for it. I mean, you guys saw, these things are just freaking worn out. Wheels are just hideous. The body is like decent shape. I need to give her a wash, honestly a polish, get rid of all that. Scratches, the fenders, those are going. I'm over them. They've been on them for a while, so they kind of served its purpose already, and I'm already over the entire look of these fenders. So I'm just gonna go with something different. These were the Monster Service fenders. I got them when Monster Service was like pretty brand new, I guess you could say. And took me like months to even get them shipped overseas, but fitment was just, you know, horrible. You guys can see a little gap. But now they've definitely put in much better work, and they've moved on to many other cars. But yeah, these are gone. I do have the bigger fenders and the side skirts, but I'm just choosing to go a different route with this car now. So all that stuff is getting sold. If, you know, somebody ends up buying it, or might just trash it. The lights, I'm not sure what I want to do with these. I don't know if I want to keep them. They actually look pretty nice, but I still have the stock ones. I might just put them back on and see how I feel about that. The silver, it does look really nice, but I don't know. I kind of want to wrap the car a different color. The headlights, they're okay. I could clean them up. That's not a big deal. But this Vertex bumper, damn, it's seen better days. Look at that. Thing's fucking cracked. Just horrible. This thing just needs to get retired. I might just get a brand new bumper. Probably go with a BN Sport. The hood, that one still in decent shape. I just need to clean it up a little bit. Sand it down. Prep it for a good wrap. The rooftop, it's fine too, honestly. Like, all the electronics work. It's still like the sunroof or moonroof, whatever you guys call it. It still works just fine, thankfully, because I know that can be expensive to replace, and I probably just wouldn't even replace it, honestly, at that point. I would just leave it closed. But as you can see, I mean, it's all really good shape. Okay, the car, put the seats back on, the stock seats. I mean, I haven't done an update on this car in such a long time, but this thing could definitely use some TLC. These seats, I'm gonna get rid of them. Probably gonna go with, I think they're called D&D. Those seats are really nice, super affordable. I'm still in love with that stock steering wheel. It's timeless, it looks great. Simple design and, you know, stylish. For the, I guess the floorboard or carpet, whatever, I might just like strip the car entirely. Let me see. Everything's still in great shape. The rear seats are still there. Everything's still, you know, intact. But yeah, I mean, I'm just super happy to even have my car back, because little by little I'm just gonna start, you know, changing things, swapping things out. But yeah, so those are just plans that I have with the car for now. Still nothing set, but just overall just cleaning it up. I'll go ahead and start the car right now and pretty much just get like a nice video on the exhaust, see how that sounds. The HKS carbon, TI carbon exhaust that it has. I might sell it only because I'm still debating if I want to continue with the CD09 transmission swap, which I already have like half the parts. I just need the transmission itself. And I think just the adaptive or the adapter plate, which isn't bad, but for the same price I could also just boost the NA2J, which I kind of just want to do. You know, I just want to have fun with that block, the stock transmission, and see how much I can push the car before I have to rebuild it, because that was the plan anyways, to fully rebuild the engine later on. But also I kind of want to have fun with it, just fuck around a little bit. But I don't know, for now I think These wheels I'll leave on, but I might test fit the TEs on here and see how it looks. Pretty sure they're too wide because they are 18 by 10 and a halves all around. And this thing is, I think, 9 and a half, but they're already poking. But yeah, let me go ahead and just start the car. It has a lot of work to be done to it. I don't even know where to start. I mean, the suspension is super old, so I have to get in there, replace pretty much everything. The engine's still pretty solid, thankfully. Transmission's still pretty solid. It's not leaking much except for the oil pan. Yeah, I mean, but that's, you know, that's always an issue with older cars. Just have to go in there and replace the seal and everything. But as far as plans for the cars go, or for this car at least, what do you guys want to see? I mean, I'm kind of stuck between saving money for that manual transmission. I already have parts for it. I just have to piece together the rest. Or we can piece together a turbo kit for this and then just utilize the automatic transmission that it has and probably just get like a piggyback ECU and then go from there and just, you know, try to have fun with that build before I start really taking it apart and then, you know, really going deeper into these parts. But or before that turbo, before all that stuff, should I just remodel the entire car outside and inside, really get it looking good? Because it runs. I mean, I could always just take it to meets and stuff later on. Or should I just fuck around and buy just that turbo and, you know, that ECU? But don't really know where to start for now. But kind of leaning towards the exterior, because if you don't look good doing it, then what's the point? But all right, well, thank you for watching another episode, guys. Hopefully you're able to hear me. Somebody's out there vacuuming, but super loud. But yeah, if you guys have any like things you guys want to see between those two, the exterior, building it for style right now, or just going straight for the turbo, let me know in the comments. I also do have an Instagram, which I'll tag on the end of this video so you guys can follow. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.